Welcome students. In this video, I will be walking you through the steps to access your practice exam results for the various ACT sections so that you can analyze how you did on the practice tests. We're going to walk through the same steps that we did previously to access our account in the first place. We are selecting ACT online course, and when I click this button, because you've already created an account, it's likely going to be saved on your computer, so it should take you directly to your home page. If not, you'll simply need to log in using the username and password you created during the previous lesson. Okay, at this point, I'm going to select the Progress and Results button in the top left-hand side of my screen. I have done a practice reading test just to be able to show you what the results will look like, so we've sampled some scores here. And now we're going to select Pre-Assessment Results at the bottom of the screen. You should be brought to a page that looks like this. We're going to be able to view our test results by the subject or by the answers and explanations. So let's just start with the subject view, and in the drop-down menu, I'm going to select whichever exam I'm doing my analysis of. So for now, we'll pretend that it's reading. To this side of my screen, I can now see some important information. I have a breakdown of how I did in each of the reporting categories for the reading test. And I can also scroll down to see exactly how many questions I got correct and incorrect in that category. So this helps me prioritize what I need to work on. We can also look at the answers and explanations for every question in the practice exam. So let's click this tab and again select Reading Test. And now I'm brought back into the test itself. From this screen, I can go through every question to see what my answer was compared to the correct answer. On questions that I have answered incorrectly, I can take a look at the answer explanations at the bottom, and I can also review the passage. So from this screen, you'll be able to get a very detailed view of your performance on the pre-assessments.